Hey everybody, welcome to the show. Today is March 7th, 2018. It looks like there's a news flash going out right now, and Bitcoin price sinks 10% amid Binance hack rumors. So that could be something that's affecting today's price of Bitcoin and the overall hit that the market is taking today. As we can see here, it looks like a lot of these coins are down today. Just thought I'd make a quick video, talk about it. It's a good learning day to get a complete understanding of what happens when you invest in crypto. These kind of days will be there, and it's if you're holding some of these coins, that's your long-term plan. Uh, Days like today would be best spent outside walking the dog, or at a sporting event, or possibly reading a book. Uh, or simply just ignoring the crypto market in general, because days like this, they come and they go. Obviously, there's a lot of ups and downs. You can see it here in the chart when it comes up. You can see that, you know, on the 3rd, 4 days ago, it was up and down, and then we've been dropping a little bit. Now it's sort of leveling out, as you can see, between earlier today and right now, towards the end of the day. And you'll probably see some changes. But this, again, is never financial advice. We are not financial advisors here on this channel. We're simply providing information to you. So, in today's market, as you can see, this is what's going on, and the news that they're claiming, some are claiming, is that there was some hack at Binance. If you don't know what Binance is, it is an exchange, just like Coinbase and Gemini, Poloniex. Another exchange. This one, I believe, is in China. I don't personally use it, but a lot of people do. So they're claiming here that following up with a statement, a moderator for the exchange announced a temporary freeze on withdrawals, insisting that the victims recognized thus far have registered API keys commonly used in trading bots and Binance's mobile and desktop applications. Binance insists that its platform has not been hacked. So they got it in quotes here. The Binance representative wrote, "We are investigating reports of some users having issues with their funds. Our team is aware and investigating the issue as we speak. As of this moment, the only confirmed victims have registered API keys to use with trading bots or otherwise. There is no evidence of the Binance platform being compromised." So it's a good example today of why whatever coin you own, even if you're trading it, it's probably a good idea to make a wallet on your own computer. All of the sites for the majority of these coins that are out there have a wallet, and it's a wallet that you can run on your own computer. Therefore, you're in charge of your own destiny at that point, rather than relying on an exchange. This is not to say that any of these exchanges aren't ethically on the up and up, and that these are things that happen out of their control. I understand that, everyone does, but part of this is controlling your own wallets and being responsible for your own wallet. And in regards to Bitcoin, I would recommend that you download the Bitcoin Core wallet, um, and that would be a great start if you have not downloaded a wallet. And make sure that you back up that wallet to a USB card, or to Trezor, or some of these other cold wallet applications and hardware devices that you can use to back up your Bitcoin, your Ethereum, your cryptocurrency. So that's what's going on today in the Bitcoin market. This is Ohio Bitcoin, hoping you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Please like or subscribe. Either way, all the best today.